Focus. Did we get a little fluid film on the camera? Hello, focus. Hello. Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's the vwnut 1967 channel on YouTube. If you're asking yourself why vwnut Brian is your 67 up sideways, all sideways in your garage, and the answer is, if you guys watched my last video, you knew that my winter beater destructed itself. Winter is, it's hard to say where I live, if it's over or not over, or however, I'm not rushing into buying a replacement car for my winter beater right now. The winter's been kind of mild, so we're going to take our chances, and we'll be driving both the 67 bug and the 64 bug if we can. The reason we couldn't is if it was wet and there was salt on the roads. However, I still want to protect it. I'm going to use fluid film to spray the underneath of the car. Bar and chain oil, I feel, is a better undercoating than fluid film. However, fluid film is what I have here. It comes in a handy dandy aerosol can that sprays out of itself. Down and dirty, quickest, still will protect it for the time I need it to protect it. I think it's going to work great, so that's what we're going to use. Fluid film, if you're watching this, sponsor your boy. Anyway, so we're going to, I've got it jacked up on one side with the wheels hanging so that I can get in, you know, the wheel wells or the wheel arches depending on where you're from. We're going to lay down on the ground right there and get to spraying this side. Then we'll jack up the other side and get inside the wheel well. So I should be able to get the majority of the underneath of the car. I'll see about getting the light under there. I don't know what the view is going to be like for you guys under there. I'll try and stop and explain for the most part what I'm doing. And start with this wheel arch right here is a good place to start for you guys to see how it's happening. Alright, I'm going to try and stay out of your guys' way and get in your way right there. If you see me, I do have a bandana around my face. I'll probably be in the way, it's just going to be inevitable. We're going to, I think I got the majority of it. We can go ahead and move on to the back now. Same process here. Try and spray everything as much as we can. Sorry for my fat head being in your shot, but the way she goes. Careful, just about sprayed you guys and myself in the face. Well, that's going to do it for the first can. We'll see if we can't get you guys on the ground, and we'll start on the underneath. Alright, I'm going to start all the way over on the far side and work my way back this way. Otherwise, I'm going to end up covering myself in stuff, right? Did make sure to get the front apron too. It seems like if you use the hose, where you guys are, if you use the hose, it seems to be spraying a little better than it was when I was in the wheel arches. That's probably how they designed it. I didn't read the instructions. I mean, I'm sure we could have. For sure we could have read the instructions. Alright, it doesn't look like the lighting's that great under there, but you guys will get the idea. Like I'm not trying to spray a light bulb either with this stuff. I'm trying to just spray the car. Alright, we're going to move to the back and do the rear apron now. Alright, we'll get under there and do the rear apron. Alright, we'll get you guys moved over to the other side and we'll get the car jacked up on the other side and we'll do the other side. Alright, we got the car turned around. I see my battery is on flash, probably because it's cold. I can't imagine that this side is going to take much longer than the other side. So I'm going to go recycle the empty can and grab another full can, shake it, and we'll get to doing this front wheel arch and the edge up here and up underneath. Move to the back and do this, the edge of this side, and then we'll be done undercoating the bug and we'll see what Patina's up to. Alright, so once again, sorry if I'm in your guys' way. I don't plan to try to be in your way. There's only so much room allowed, right? Back wheel arch now, or fender, inner fender, or bubbly thingy on the covers the tire. Oops, we ripped the hose out of her, but we'll just put her back in. Should be okay. Oh yeah, good to go. Definitely, if you're going to use this for spraying on your car, I don't know what the recommended specifications are, but I have had much better luck doing it with the hose on. Focus. Did we get a little fluid film on the camera? Hello, focus. Hello. Oh, there we go. That's much better. I must have fluid filmed it. I'm trying to keep my head out of your way, but it's more important to me that I see what I'm doing. That's probably going to go ahead and do her for the underneath of Ruby. I'll take one more quick look and see if there's anything I missed. If there is, I'll bring you back and let you know what it was. Alright, I'll pull the jack stands out of there. I didn't find anything else under there worth noting or talking about. I feel like we covered enough of the underneath of the car for the winter we're having. I feel way better about driving this car right now in the conditions we have, so pull the jack stands out from under it, set it down, then we gotta sweep the floor. Then we'll go see what Patina's up to. She is most definitely inside. In the sun, probably. Going down. Nice. Perfect. And perfect. Well, she's not in the sun, but she definitely looks like she's been up to something. What have you been up to, miss? Do you want to say goodbye to the people? Oh, you're such a beautiful puppy does, yeah. Oh, you do? You do? You want to stretch for the people? Yeah? You want to say goodbye to the people? You want to say goodbye to the people? Yeah. Oh, thank you. The people say goodbye too. Anyway, we will see you guys in a couple of days. Sorry for the licked screen, but that's what you get when Patina says goodbye to the people. Yeah.